Hey guys, real quick, go below, hit thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. But the OnePlus 13 officially launched yesterday, and I wanted to make this video to discuss with you guys some of the important details that I think you should pay attention to when purchasing your OnePlus 13 and even the OnePlus 13R. So as expected this year, there is a $100 price increase. So the base model starts at $899 for the 12 gigabytes of RAM with 256 gigabytes of storage. Now do keep in mind, if you want the base model, apparently it's only available in the black Eclipse color. But right now, up until February 7th, OnePlus is giving you a free storage upgrade, so you might as well just get the 16 gig RAM with the 512 gig storage. Now the one I went with is the Midnight Ocean. It looks really nice. Excited to get that in hand and feel that vegan leather back. If it feels similar to the OnePlus Open that I had, that did have a nice texture overall. Also, the Arctic Dawn, a lot of people like that color. The Black Eclipse is just kind of boring. So no RAM or storage upgrades this year for the OnePlus 13, but I think that's okay because 16 gigabytes of RAM or even 12 gigabytes of RAM in a phone is more than enough. Now, as far as the trade-in options, once again this year they're doing the trade-in any device in any condition. They'll give you $100 instant credit. Or you can trade in an eligible device to get a bigger discount. So we'll go in here and take a look at some of the trade-in values for previous OnePlus devices. So they're offering up to $585 for the OnePlus Open, $478 for the OnePlus 12, $344 for the 12R, $325 for the 11 and 11R. That's a bit strange. $225 if you have a OnePlus 10 Pro, and $216 if you have a OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, for some reason, when I went to place my order, OnePlus did not give me the option to trade in my OnePlus 12. Only last night did I discover that these options were now available, so that's a bit of a bummer, but that's okay. I chose to trade in my Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now, in terms of the free gift, if you go ahead and buy the OnePlus 13, you still have the option to choose from the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. Now, these right here are new. They must have just added these today. You can choose from the Sandstone magnetic case, the Aramid fiber magnetic case, or the wood grain magnetic case. Those look really nice. Now, for mine, I chose the Watch 2R, but that's currently out of stock, as well as the standard Watch 2. Apparently, the Lunar Radiance color of the Buds Pro 3 are out of stock, but it's nice to see that they've at least added these cases on here as a free gift. Also, looks like they've included the new sapphire blue color of the Buds Pro 3, and that will match the Midnight Ocean color. If this had been an option when I placed my order, I might have went with the Buds Pro 3. I think that sapphire blue looks really nice. Now, right here are some accessories you can add on to get a discount. The OnePlus 13 wireless charging bundle you can get for 30% off. And it's kind of funny because right here they have these cases that are included free as a gift, but they say you can add them on, get 20% off, but still pay for them. So it's like, why do that? You could just choose that as your gift. Now, here's an accessory that I may check out in the future. OnePlus AirVook 50-watt magnetic charger. Now, as far as I know, you will have to have one of their magnetic cases to use this accessory, but I think that's pretty neat. It's similar to Apple's MagSafe. You can also purchase the OnePlus Care Protection Plan for $129. That will cover you for 2 years. I'm going to pass on that because I take pretty good care of my devices, but if you are someone who is clumsy, maybe drop your device a lot, you might want to consider this, but just make sure you read all the fine print to see what that covers. Now, the earliest estimated delivery says Friday, January 17th. If you choose the priority delivery, or Tuesday, January 21st, if you choose standard delivery. I have went and checked it out on the Best Buy app, and apparently right now they have the Black Eclipse color like for pickup today. So I guess it depends on where you purchase it from. You could get it sooner. It's also nice to see that again this year OnePlus has included the charging brick in the box. You also get the Type A to Type C cable, your usual paperwork, SIM ejection tool. So I am excited to do an unboxing video. Now, as far as the trade-in process, if you trade in an eligible device to get a larger discount, it will not be an instant credit, so you will have to send in your device and they will refund you that trade-in credit plus any bonus amounts if applicable. So make sure when you're going through and answering the questions like, is your device in good working condition? Does it have any scratches? Make sure you answer those honestly. You wouldn't want to send in your device and have them inspect it and the trade-in value be different. So make sure you answer those honestly. So lots of little details to pay attention to when you're ordering your device. That's kind of how it's become nowadays with purchasing a new device. So just make sure you pay attention, read everything. That way you're not caught by surprise if something doesn't work out. That's going to do it for this video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Let me know if I missed any details, which device you ordered, OnePlus 13 or 13R, your favorite color, and I will catch you guys in the next video.